At Xometry, we are continually working to enhance our partners' network experience. Our Buy Now, Pay Later feature is designed to improve your business's cash flow by eliminating the need to pay upfront for tooling and materials. This feature is now available for all qualifying and active manufacturing partners within our network. Let's walk through the steps so you know what to expect when using our Buy Now, Pay Later feature. First, I've already accepted this job from the Xometry job board with an active value of $749.99. I will now have access to raw materials and tools up to the value of my active Xometry job. I know that I'll need one piece of 3/4 inch by 14 inch by 10 inch aluminum plate to tackle this job, so I'm going to add it to my cart using the new Quick Buy widget. I now have $64.33 worth of aluminum 6061 T6 and tools in my cart. Let's take a look at the intuitive checkout process. Since I'm already logged in to my Xometry Supplies account, all of my shipping and billing information is already selected, and all I have to do is select my shipping method. Once I arrive on the payment processing screen, I'll have two options. I can select Deduct from Xometry Active Jobs or Process using a PO. For this example, we are going to select Deduct from Xometry Active Jobs. I'll enter my PO number, which I will generate internally, and the job ID number that I'll copy from the job board. I'll then select Yes to deduct from my Xometry Active Jobs, and I'll agree to Xometry's terms and conditions. Lastly, I'll click Place Order. Now I'll receive my materials and tools interest-free with no money down. I'll also still be paid $685.66 on the completion of my Xometry job. If I happen to go over the value, Xometry will invoice me the difference on net 30 terms for easy and convenient payment. Just another benefit of the Xometry Partner Network.